Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you're fantastic. Listen, let's talk about Turbo possibly getting listed on Robinhood. Now, listen, there is no current info out there that it will be, but what we have to do is follow the trend, okay? What are we noticing with Robinhood? Robinhood has been listing meme coins lately. The latest one has been Whiff. Previously, one of them was Pepe, right? But it already has a few coins getting listed, a few meme coins getting listed. And I believe, especially when the market starts rising, more time, the market goes on, the more we're going to be pumping, the more volatile everything will be. I believe Robinhood is going to start going down the list of meme coins. And I believe Turbo has a great chance. Okay. We've seen how volatile Turbo can be. We see that Turbo's currently at 600 million market cap, right? When we look at something like Whiff, it's at 3 billion. But we're not that far away. And I truly do believe Turbo will go at the minimum over 10 billion market cap this cycle. So if I believe that, then I believe there's a high probability of Turbo getting listed. And I genuinely think, for any company, it's a smart thing to do to start listing their cryptos on their exchanges, on their sites. It doesn't matter if they're mainly stock, or if they're mainly this or mainly that. They can make so much money from fees. They can they can get customers, they can build trust, right? This is just so good for companies to grow, especially if there's gonna be more crypto adoption. So the things with trading, the things with crypto, you have to be 2 steps ahead. Okay, that is the reality. You have to be 2 steps ahead. Now prove it. Let's go to something like Turbo right now, right? If, let's say we bought Turbo now, it's not a bad price to buy Turbo at this point. It's not. It really isn't. But, but you're not getting it down here, okay? You're not getting it for these premium prices, and for sure you're not getting it down here in these extremely discounted prices, right? If you're one of those people, you have to be 2 steps ahead. So you either have some kind of knowledge, you have to be willing to take that risk. The more confirmation bias you need, the less profit you're going to get. And in fact, the riskier it gets. That's what people don't realize. So, with that being said, I truly do believe not with Turbo will get listed on Robinhood because, like I said, it's over 3 billion market cap. Now, if it was at 30 billion market cap, I wouldn't even make this video, but it's not. So we have other coins like Pepe. Pepe surged a lot, and Pepe's much more. Pepe's at 8 billion market cap. But if we go, on this, we actually go back to the main page. We go on rankings. Let's go to memes, right? We could see Whiff is here. Bong, Floki, they're all here. Like, what's going to be next? What is going to be next? Let's see where Turbo is. Turbo is not that far off. And you got to remember, not every single one of these coins that's in line in order is necessarily going to be listed in front of Turbo, right? Because the thing is, we have a great community, and that is a fact. We are pretty much community-based token. The person that made Turbo is not really involved nowadays. So I believe that is a very, very good thing. And that's a very good fundamental to have for a coin. And something like Peanut, it grew very fast, but I seriously doubt it's gonna get listed on Robinhood. Um, Popcat, like not coin. I don't really see this. I don't really see the Maximus one. Maybe Nero, maybe this one, right? Mm, no, not this one. Like I just don't see most of these. Like Mudang, no. I feel like Turbo is like out of all these coins might be second or third in line. And I'm not even trying to be biased because I have nothing against any crypto. The point is for all of us to make so much money, right? That is the whole point at the end of the day. So I do believe we really could. Now, if we go back to Turbo, we can see Turbo also has a lot of volume, especially for, I'm not going to call it a small cap coin, but small, medium-ish cap coin. So we do have a lot of volume, and that's a great sign, exchanges like that because they make a small amount of money on fees. So I believe, that's a key factor for Robinhood. We're also getting the Coinbase listing correct. We're getting the Coinbase listing, which makes me think, you know, there's only a few steps left. After Coinbase, there's not that many exchanges and there's not so many places we get listed on, especially that are big, right? We're already on Binance. We're going to be on Coinbase. We're on OKX, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, Crypto.com, right? There might be one or two that I'm missing on top of my head that might not be here. But overall, we have the big boys. We really do. So Robinhood, right? Robinhood is a possibility. Plus, you have to remember, if other companies see Robinhood is making so much money and they're having success with this, think about when the innovation is going to come, right? The innovation for Turbo, the innovation for crypto as a just as a whole, right? Think about it. Other companies, other exchanges, other places are going to want to list coins because they're going to want to make the money off the fees. They're going to want to grow their brand. So we have to be two steps ahead. And I really, really do have a great feeling about Turbo, especially if there's going to be as much adoption as we think, right? I believe this is just the start of greatness. I believe the next year is going to be the most diabolical year in terms of greatness. It's so great. It's diabolical. And I'm super, super excited. Now, let's just look at the chart. I'll give you guys a quick update, right? Also, something that these exchanges might like is there's a lot of data here, right? There's a lot of data. We know, like I said, the owner's not here. So we know, what's up. They're going to see what's up. They're going to see the structure. They're going to see who holds the coins. What's this? How's the community like? How many better meme coins are there? Potentially not that many above Turbo. Plus, I think Turbo is better than those, but those ones just have slightly more market cap. And yeah, I mean, I believe Turbo is going to be listed. Now, don't take my word, but I feel like there's a high chance, a 70-80% chance. I'm really, really excited. But anyways, let's break down Turbo. As you can see, a couple days ago, we retested the top. Now we're just kind of chilling. We retested off this key level over here, right? Said it was a good buying area to buy over here. I believe overall it is time for Turbo to be going up. We can see that we are entering order blocks, which I love order blocks, right? We're entering order blocks and we're just starting to go higher and higher. I believe the time is very, very limited. I know the time is very, very limited. So if you're looking to get into Turbo, no need to be nitpicky, right? No need to be nitpicky saying, oh, I want it to go here, here, here. Structure makes sense. Everything makes sense. At this current moment, nothing suggests at all that we're going to be going down here or even here. In fact, if it did, it would be a very, very scary sign. The market structure suggests that overall, this is going to be your last good buying opportunity, right? Because once we fly past this green box, right, we saw how there's so much resistance here. Once we fly here, the next area is to the top of Turbo. And after that is another massive rally. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. Hopefully I opened your mind about this potential listing, right? Just follow the trend, follow where the big money is, follow what these big boys are doing. And just, somebody's got to take the risk and be two steps ahead. And worst case scenario, Turbo still pumps a lot. So, I mean, it's a win-win either way. So anyways, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, I'll talk to you guys next time.